What's up, guys? We're going to show you how to solder a QS8 connector onto a battery. Make sure you get the female plug. Let's get started. First thing you're going to do is going to have to change the plug here. So we got to cut off the old one. And since we are dealing with a battery, which is live, we cut one wire at a time. I'm just using a pair of scissors here. I'm sure there's a better tool, but it's what we're used to doing. So I cut the positive first, leaving the old connector attached so we don't touch anything. And then we got to get our plug prepared. Again, that's the QS8 connector here from ProTech. We use these quite often. First thing I do is take my protector and slide it on the wire because I always forget to put that on until after I'm done. Then when you take our connector, we got to tin the cups here. I got the Madness holder, which has a spot for the QS8. So we go ahead and put the tip on the cup there. You can see. Try not to get any on the back side. It makes the cap a little hard to put on later. We'll go ahead and fill both sides. We'll put it back on the positive side, and we'll go ahead and tin our wire here. Usually put the iron kind of below it and get it started and try to get the solder to flow into the wire. Once we got that side tinned, we go ahead and attach it to the plug. All right, so we got it in there. So now we got to put the negative side on. So we go ahead and clip that the same length, strip it back. We're going to tin our negative, so that's good and tin there. And then we got to put the negative in the top cup. Make sure it flows together good. Let it sit for a second. If you're using a big iron like this, it's still high. You try to pull it away, it'll come on undone because it didn't sit yet. And it's pulling it out of our holder up for the video. I got it like that. And there you have it. Now I always double check positive and negative before I push the cap on. You're good to go. Slide that up. This clicks in place. And there you go. That's a QS8 plug on a battery. Thanks for watching.